Hey guys, this is Graham, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the double yo-yo leg orbit. Double yo-yo leg orbit looks like this. Now before you try this trick, you have to make sure you're really comfortable with 1, around the leg, and 2, double yo-yo shuffling in general. If you haven't seen our video on double yo-yo yet, please make sure to go check that out before you come back to the trick. When you're doing this trick, you have to make sure you have a really big double yo-yo shuffle. Alright? Not a small one like this. There's no space for your leg to go through if your shuffle's like this. You have to push more with your right and toss more with your left. Both hands are at work over here. It's not just one arm or the other. Both arms at the same time, having a nice big orbit. Now, to put your leg in, you're gonna have to toss one yo-yo slightly higher. So watch the pink one. 1, 2, 3. Goes slightly higher. That's a little. That'll give you more time to put your leg in. Again, 1, 2, and 3, and that's how you put your leg in. If you think that's too hard, you can try it with the trapeze. Again, if you haven't checked out our double yo-yo trapeze tutorial, you can try that first. It looks like this. Here's what you can try. You can trapeze one yo-yo, then put your leg in. Now, 2 motions at the same time. You have to toss the bottom one, the white one up, and while unlooping the pink one, like that. First thing you need to do, double yo-yo leg, is to learn how to do a double yo-yo trapeze on your right stick. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go check that out first, and then come back to the video. Trapeze one yo-yo. Now I have a stool here. You have to find a stool or something for your legs to rest on. But before you stick your leg in, here's what you need to practice. Tossing the bottom yo-yo up while undoing the trapeze up here at the same time. It looks like this. The higher, toss the bottom yo-yo a little higher to give yourself time for your leg to go in, like this. Your left hand needs to toss the yo-yos a little bit higher for the yo-yos to clear your leg. Otherwise, it's gonna hit your leg. Trapeze. Put your leg in. Toss the bottom one over your leg while pushing the bottom one down. And my left hand just throws it over my leg. It's an upwards motion, not towards my right. It's an upwards toss. And my right hand pushes down at the same time. Trapeze. Right leg goes in, left hand tosses up, right hand pushes down. Left hand toss, right hand push. Now to take out your leg, give any one of the 2 yo-yos some air. Take it out. Nice and easy. One time. Trapeze. Leg in. Toss. Push. Toss and out. And that's how you do double yo-yo leg. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. What is wrong? Yeah, okay.